And we're on in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello and welcome to Good Morning Uranus. Today is February 7,671, marking the quarter mark of this year. Only 23,014 more days until the new year. Man, this year is going by fast. Before we get to our headlines, let's take a look at the weather. Bob, how does it look out there? Thanks, John. It does not take a wizard to figure out this year's hot spell that we're in. Since we are in the 42 years of sunlight right now, the temperature is up to a blazing negative 308. So don't forget those sunglasses and lather those kids up with sunscreen. Also, this wind today is low at only 374 miles per hour, but it still probably isn't a good day to fly that kite. Well, that's it for now, John. Back to you. Welcome back to Good Morning Uranus. Since today is Thursday, it's time for our weekly segment called I Have a Question About My World. So, you know what to do. Go ahead and start emailing me those questions about this great world that we live on. Ding! Great. The first question comes from Greta. She asks, why is Uranus tilted on its side? Well, it's possible that an Earth-sized object crashed into Uranus and caused Uranus to rotate on its side. Great question. Ding! Our next question comes in from Ralph. Why does Uranus appear greenish blue? Well, Ralph, planets get their color from what they are made out of, their composition. And Uranus is made mostly of hydrogen, helium, and methane. Methane is what gives it its blue color. Wow, another great question. Well, I think we have time for a couple more. Ding! This one comes from Ashley. When did people on Earth discover Uranus? Well, Ashley, an astronomer named William Herschel discovered Uranus in 1781. Earthlings named their planet after mythological gods and one goddess. Luckily, we are already named Uranus, which means the Greek god of the sky. However, when those Earthlings discovered us, the discoverer wanted to name this planet after the King of England at the time, King George III, but with a Latin twist, Georgium Situs. Thank goodness we were able to land up there on Roswell, abduct him, brainwash him into naming us Uranus, and then returning before no one was able to notice that he was missing. Okay, one last question. Ding! Thanks, Jordan, for submitting our last question. Jordan asks, which way does Uranus rotate? Uranus rotates east to west. Uranus is one of the only two planets that rotates opposite direction than all the other planets. Venus is the other one, of course. Okay, let's go to a commercial break.
Are you stressed out and in need of a vacation? Are you tired of just visiting those rings on the weekends? Have I got a vacation for you? Come in now and see the moons. We have resorts on all 27 of Uranus's moons, including the distant Ariel and Meridana. For just $9,999.99 per person, you can book an all-exclusive 2-week rocket trip to any of our resorts. That's right, folks, for only $9,999.99. But wait, if you call and book in the next 15 minutes, we'll throw in an exclusive coupon book full of savings throughout the whole galaxy at $99 value. Just pay processing and handling fee. Call now for 1-800-CRNS. That's 1-800-287-2687. Call now, mon.